In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Cobalt key fob. This process is super easy to do. It'll just take you under 5 minutes, and the only thing you will need to get it done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. Now, if you don't have one of these batteries or you're not sure where to find one, you can go check out the link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out if you're interested, and then just follow along when you have everything that you need. Down here on the bottom right of the device, right next to where the keyring would attach, if you look closely, you can see there is kind of a little slot or indentation along the seam of the two halves of the device. You can see a very small slot right there. It's just enough space for us to insert the head of our flathead screwdriver. Just push and kind of wiggle it in there until it gets stuck a little bit. And once it is lodged in there, you're just going to twist the screwdriver and it will open right up for you. Once you have a little bit of space in between the two halves, you can just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. Pull off the back section, you can set that down. And now what you want to do is just carefully lift out this battery, which will come out with the circuit board. Lift that out. Set this down for now, and we can just now slide the battery right out of this little metal housing with our finger. A little bit blurry there for you, but you're just going to be pulling on the battery with your thumb until it comes out. Now we dispose of the old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure the positive side, there we go, that has the plus sign on it and the text is going face up. So we want to slide this in, positive side up, and now we just put it all back together, which is super easy. So take the front of your device that has this little rubber component, and you're just going to drop the circuit board in there with the battery facing up. And now you can take the back of the device, set that on top, squeeze it all back together, and you are finished. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, you can always give this video a like, or you can tell me down in the comment section. We always really appreciate that. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have tutorials for the devices for pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information directly at our website, which is called fobbattery.com.